Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, and today I would like to show you where you can find all text correction features on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down, tap on General Management and go into Samsung Keyboard Settings. Over here, as you can see, there are some text correction options, but if you want to see even more of them, you can click on More Typing Options. To enable or disable one of them, click on the switcher next to it or tap on it and select one of the options over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!